नमस्ते सभी को। स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे रूब्रिक्स CTO निथर कश्यप सेल $40K इन RBRK स्टॉक। Rubrik INC Chief Technology Officer Arvind Nithrakashyap sold a total of 5,693 shares of Class A common stock on January 14 and 15, 2026 for approximately $400 to $421, according to a Form 4 filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The sale were excluded in multiple transactions on January 14. 1,045 shares will be sold at price ranging from $70.02 to $70.175, garnering $73,202. The following day, January 15, 4,648 shares were sold at price between $70.01 and $70.705, totaling $327 lakhs $219. Following this transaction, Nithr directly owns 33 lakhs 7,010 shares of Rubrik's Class A common stock. The sale were executed under a pre-arranged Rule 10b-521 trading plan adopted on October 15, 2025. In other recent news, Rubrik has introduced the Rubrik Security Cloud Sovereigns, a new solution aimed at providing organizations with excess control over their data while adhering to judicial regulation. This development ensures that metadata control plane and management functions remain within customer-designated boundaries following Rubrik's strong third quarter fiscal 2026 result. Control Fitzgerald related it is the overweight rating on the company stock, highlighting the firm's impressive performance. That executive analysis expectation in revenue, subscription, the annual recurring revenue, operating income, and free cash flow. The company added approximately $95 million in net new subscription ARR, demonstrating increased platform adoption